Have you ever felt the crushing weight of guarding a completely empty territory? An elderly, puffy dog sat faithfully by the shattered remains of a hollow log, his cloudy eyes staring into the dense, foggy forest. He had incredibly thick, matted fur that dragged on the muddy ground as his aching bones refused to let him hunt. He waited patiently for his long-lost brother, entirely unaware that he was the very last of his wild pack. His loyal, tired spirit finally faded into the silent mist. Like and subscribe if this old puffy dog story deeply broke your heart.